Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to back up entire games and applications on your PlayStation 5 to a USB device. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So let's say you live somewhere where your internet is very bad. How would you go ahead and transfer an entire game quickly to another PlayStation 5? Well, this is very easy to do. I already have my USB device plugged into the front USB slot on my PlayStation. Now on the home screen, let's go up to the top and go to the right and select Settings. Now go to System and select this. Now under System Software, go to the right and go to Backup and Restore. Now go to Backup Your PS5. Now under here, you're going to have 4 different categories: games and apps, save data, screenshots, and settings. Now it's going to say please wait for about 1 to 2 minutes. Just hold off until this goes away. Okay, now you're brought to this screen where it says back up your PS5. You'll have your games and apps at the top. Now if you go to the right of this, there's 3 little lines with a pen next to it. Select this and you can check mark a game, and I'm going to go to deselect all to unselect all my games and then just select one game, so like Minecraft, then go over to confirm. Now I don't have enough storage space on my USB device, so I can't back up my game. Now I'm going to uncheck mark screenshots and video clips. Now for save data, I'm going to leave this on here because I want to transfer over like my saved Minecraft world and my game saves. So I'm going to keep that under here and then go to next. Now, when you go to next, it will say like preparing right after this, and then your PlayStation should restart, and then it will start transferring the data to the USB device. And this may take a while, and it'll give you an estimated amount of time. So make sure you have a large enough USB device plugged into your PlayStation so you can back up the data. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.